Excel logic report where we learn different functions and formulas in Excel. Today I'm going to teach you how to penalize a student by using any function. How to penalize a student. For example, your student has division 1, division 2 or division 3, but he has failed some subjects. Either has failed in BAM subject or has failed in English. So you want to penalize even if has division 1 or division 2 because has F subject in the two subjects, penalize him or her to division 3. While if has division 4 or division 0, leave their divisions as it is. Yeah, so I'm going to start. Start is the equal sign, then if and this point I'm going to use the point. This point is less than 26. To less than 26 it means that the student which has division 1 up to division 3, comma, if this one is equal to F, comma, also if this one Z is equal to F, close bracket, comma, say division 3. Otherwise, take their division which is a 2, So this formula means that I'm going to check if all these criteria when meet the condition, the answer will be division 3, and if does not meet the condition, take this division in AR2. So if AQ2 less than 26, it means student has division 1 or division 2 or division 3 and has F subject in this one. If this one X2 is equal to F. So if student has a point which is less than 26 and in X2 is equal to F, also in Z2 is equal to F, penalize the student to give division 3. Otherwise, take its division. Yes. Close this one. Close the range. After that, drag. So this formula will check up if the student has division 1, division 2 or division 3 and has failed or has division F in subject number 9, also has division F as grade F in BAM subject, it will return 3. Otherwise, it means that student either has not failed this subject or has division 4 or 0, will return the division which is in this column in AR2. Yes, for example, this one has the F subject in as a F grade in this subject, but he has C subject as a C grade in this subject, has division 2. When we check this one, this subject has F, but this subject has a C grade. So this one does not meet the condition, because in order to display or return 3, all these subjects must be F. When this subject is F, is where the result will return to division 3. So if I put this one, now has F in both subjects, in this one and in this one. So the result will be division 3, because there's division 2, but he has failed, has F grade in all these subjects. So all criteria has met the condition, as a grade F in the first subject, also grade F in the second subject, as a point which is less than 26, so it will return to division 3. When you check this next student, for example, this one has A, also has A, this does not meet the condition, these subjects are not equal to F, also has division 1. So only these two subjects does not meet the condition. So the result will be its division as normal. When we come to this one, has this subject in the subject as F subject in as the F grade in this subject, but he has division 4. So division 4 means the point is greater than 26, is not less than 26. So that one it returns to F according to this formula. If this one grade point is less than 26, but this one is greater than 26, so this one meets the criteria, this one does not meet the criteria, also this one does not meet the criteria. So it return to its, the result will return to its division. Then if I change this, also will proceed to be 4, but when I put either this one, the result will be division 3. Yeah, this is how you can use end function to penalize a student which has failed 2 subjects. All 2 subjects has failed. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.